What if nature had a secret message for us, hidden in plain sight? Meet the ultimate environmental detectives, birds. Birds, due to their sensitivity, are often the first to react to environmental changes, long before we notice. Their widespread presence and quick reproductive cycles, making them ideal bioindicators for immediate insights. When millions of birds alter their age-old routes, it's not random. It's a distress signal about climate change and habitat fragmentation. Or, consider their nests. Abnormal eggshells or plummeting chick survival rates are shouting about pesticide exposure or heavy metal pollution. And what's in their stomachs? Changes in prey or contaminants reveal shifts in entire food webs, impacting everything up the chain. Remember DDT? It was bird eggshells, specifically raptors, that provided undeniable proof of its devastating impact, leading to a global ban. Today, urban bird health, like pigeons or sparrows, is becoming a key indicator for localized air quality and microplastic contamination in our own backyards. Post-oil spills, seabird mortality patterns, and long-term health serve as crucial data points for assessing ecosystem recovery and planning future prevention. How do we get these insights? Cutting-edge genomic sequencing can now pinpoint specific toxins or even predict disease outbreaks through bird populations. Satellite tracking with AI analysis maps bird movements in real time, helping us predict environmental impacts and identify critical conservation areas globally. And you can be part of it. Apps like eBird collect millions of data points from citizen scientists, creating an unparalleled global data set for researchers. The good news? From raptor recovery programs to wetland restoration, focused conservation efforts are showing real success in bringing back endangered species. Your backyard matters. Planting native species, reducing pesticide use, and supporting bird-friendly policies are direct ways you contribute. Our feathered forecasters are sending clear messages. It's time we listen, learn, and act, not just for the birds, but for a healthier future for all of us. What environmental mystery will you help solve today?